Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1968 Hermes Rocket vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in West Germany, it says right here on the back. Margins are located up top here, and you just push them down and move them. I'm going to set this one towards the end and this one towards 75 or so. That's about the length of the page. And this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. This is the paper bail that sits on top and holds the page down. It's got a scale on it to tell you what space you're on. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 1.5, or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single. If you want 1.5, you just flip that switch forward 1, it skips to 1.5. 1 more, it skips 2. That works good. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Excellent typing, excellent all around. This is a excellent, clean, luxury typewriter made by Hermes. Very high maintenance, I don't know what the word is, just high quality typewriter. Beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful. To pull the page out easier, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy, or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We're going to flip this back down. It comes with the top lid for carrying. So this just kind of fits on there and snaps in from the front like that, and it's got a latch on the front right here with the carrying handle. So nice and compact. Pull it off, just switch that, and just lift it. I also put on some brand new foot mounts that I created with my 3D printer, and they're almost exactly like the originals, just made out of rubber synthetic material. Very sturdy and balanced, so it's really nice to have brand new feet available in my shop if you need some. Shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the right side works great. This with the 2 arrows is your margin release when you get to the end of the margin. It won't let you type, so if you hit that margin release, it'll let you type all the way to the end. That works good. On the right side is a color selector switch. Right now we have a solid black ribbon, so it just prints the top portion of the ribbon. If you move that all the way up to the top to the red square, it'll print the bottom portion of the ribbon. If you have it in the middle, I guess it's somewhere in between. That's kind of something new. This pops right off. This is all hard plastic, so nice and lightweight. And all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And to switch that direction, you just fidget with that somehow, I think. Let's see here. I honestly don't know how to switch it. Usually if on typewriters you could do that and it'll switch. It's probably just got an automatic ribbon reverse, but right now it is pulling to the right side, direction that we want it to pull to. If anybody knows the way how to do that, leave it in the comment section. This just pops back on, it looks like from the top, just like that. Very compact and just sleek design. I really love the design and the colors. That teal color really pops. Luxury. Very smooth. This is about as smooth as it gets when you're dealing with a typewriter. Just quiet and smooth. It just feels like you're on a Mercedes-Benz. This is, I think, the Hermes, not this specific model, but Hermes in general will make the best typewriters of all time. And this might be one of the best award-winning, I don't know, I haven't researched it, portables of this genre. And the last function is if you push this all the way back, it'll disable this. It just doesn't, I guess it does like a half a space when you have it all the way back. When you have it all the way to the front, it disables the spacing altogether, so you can get to the exact spot on the page. And you push it back and you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is a half a space. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.